Ever wished you could see the world with crystal clarity, even if your vision isn't so great? Well, thanks to Dr. Patricia Bath, a true pioneer in ophthalmology, that dream is a reality for millions. Dr. Bath, born in 1942 in Harlem, New York, a brilliant African-American ophthalmologist. She wasn't just checking prescriptions. She was breaking down barriers and blasting away blindness with lasers. Dr. Bath graduated from Howard University College of Medicine in Washington, D.C. in 1968. In 1973, she completed her training at New York University School of Medicine as the first African-American resident in ophthalmology. In 1983, she chaired the ophthalmology residency training program at both Charles Drew and UCLA, becoming the first woman in the U.S. to hold this position. Talk about breaking glass ceilings. Dr. Bath revolutionized eye care with an invention that will go on to save the sight of millions around the world. In May 1988, she received a patent for the Laserphaco Probe, an innovative device that uses laser technology to remove cataracts. This is still the standard technique used in cataract surgeries today. This device uses a laser beam to gently zap away cataracts, making it a more precise and efficient surgery. Before Dr. Bath's invention, cataract surgery was a risky and difficult procedure, often requiring long recovery times. But with the Laserphaco Probe, cataract removal became less invasive, quicker, and more effective. What was once a complex, delicate operation now only takes minutes, and the recovery time is much faster. Over 30 million people have regained their sight thanks to Dr. Bath's breakthrough. But Dr. Bath wasn't just about fixing eyes. She was passionate about preventing blindness altogether. She traveled the world, especially the underserved communities, teaching doctors her laser technique and advocating for eye health education. Dr. Patricia Bath co-founded the American Institute for the Prevention of Blindness in 1976 with Alfred Cannon and Aaron Ifer-Koenig. The mission is to make primary eye care available to everyone, regardless of their economic status. She believed in health care for all and fought for better access to care for minority communities, especially for African Americans, in an era when such issues were not always addressed. This wasn't just about science. It was also about justice, equality, and ensuring that everyone had the opportunity to see the world clearly. Dr. Bath passed away in 2019, but her legacy lives on. The next time you see the world with perfect clarity, remember Dr. Patricia Bath, the woman who beamed away blindness and changed lives one laser zap at a time. If you learned something new about Dr. Bath, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to learn of other innovators, and leave a comment below about another amazing inventor you admire.